You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French cheese. If you want to learn more names of cheeses from France and beyond, and more names from French cuisine, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. So let's break down the French pronunciation. Vieux with a silent X. Vieux, vieux, meaning old in French. That's how you say old in French. Boulogne. Boulogne, which is a name of a city in the north of France. So, Vieux Boulogne is how we say it in French. Now, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Vieux Boulogne. Vieux Boulogne from French, Vieux Boulogne. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.